Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. What's up, guys? Today we're going to check out Hot Wheels Premium, the transport. This one, Mercedes-Benz Fleet Flyer, and one of my personal favorites, the 97 Mitsubishi Eclipse from Fast and the Furious. I actually bought two of these because this is one of my favorites. So there's the other one. Ta-da! I didn't complete the set because only two models I like, together with a Lykan Hypersport. Is it Hypersport? Yeah, Lykan Hypersport. And the other one is over there. But I don't want to open that one. So just this. Let's get down to business. Oh, and before that, please like and subscribe. Yahoo! Before we open, let's check at the back. So this is the together with the set. Not so clear. Closer look. And so these are the sets. I forgot the name of these, but this is the Lykan Hypersport. And with the set of the Team Transport. Okay, let's open it. So this is it, guys, the Eclipse from Fast and the Furious 1. Amazing details. I have to say, I could get the Jada 1:24, but there is just something with the Hot Wheels 1:64 that I really like. And when I saw this, man, I gotta have two of these. I like the detail on the side mirror. You can see there is a side mirror, just no reflective sheet there. But hey, it's better than nothing, right? And at the back, Eclipse or Mitsubishi logo at the back, and with its plate number R&D 263. There, Mitsubishi Eclipse 2018. The chassis must be made on that year. Okay, now let's take a look at this one, the Team Transport. So this is the Mercedes-Benz. Not too shabby. Also with the side mirror there. And then now for the truck.
Give me the mic, let me recite to Timothy White. Tickets outside, the Interscope offices every night. What if he's right? I'm just a criminal, making a living off of the
Fleet Flyer.
Gives me the right to say what I like and walk around flipping the bird, living the urban life like a white kid from the bird, streaming at night and screaming at mom, scheming.
Okay, that's it. A very short review because I just want to play with my Mitsubishi Eclipse. Thanks for watching Bisaya in Japan. See ya!
Some trouble everywhere that I go. Ask the bouncers in the club cause they know. I saw some shit that throw me out the back door. Come back and shoot the club up with a fofo.